Let me blow your mind with something. There's a peptide your body already makes. It lives in your mitochondria. Yes, the powerhouse of the cell. And researcher found it can literally reverse age-related metabolic decline. Not boost it, not support it, actually reverse it. It's one of the most insane anti-aging molecule in human body. Yet 99% of people have never heard of it. Wanna know why? Because unlike Ozempic or testosterone, this one doesn't make pharmaceutical companies billions of dollars. But it might change your energy, your weight, your metabolism, and honestly, your life. This peptide is called Mots-c. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will understand Mots-c in the way 99% of the doctors don't. So what is Mots-c? Mots-c is a mitochondrial-derived peptide. Let me translate that in a human language. Your mitochondria creates it naturally, and it helps regulate how your cell uses energy. Think of Mots-c as your body's internal metabolism optimizer, energy stabilizer, fat burning switch, cellular reset button. It signals your body to start using fat and glucose more efficiently. It also helps your cell function younger. This isn't hype, it's a published research. Mots-c is made in mitochondria. It affects AMPK pathway, boosts energy production, helps stabilize blood sugar, works on cellular stress response. So why people lose energy and gain fat as they age? Let me say something real. Most people don't gain weight because they eat too much. They gain weight because their cells stop listening. You know that feeling where you eat the same but gain more fat. Your energy crashes at random time. Your workouts feel harder. You don't recall before. Stress hit harder. Your metabolism feels slow. That's not willpower. That's mitochondrial dysfunction. It's your cellular engine aging. People come to my clinic saying, I'm doing everything right. Why am I still tired? And I say, because your mitochondria needs boost. Mots-c makes them yell again. So what does the science say about Mots-c? Mots-c activates AMPK, the pathway that tells your body, hey, let's burn fat, let's increase energy, let's stop storing everything as an emergency reserve mode. AMPK is the same pathway activated by fasting, intense exercise, cold exposure, calorie restrictions, and metformin. Except Mots-c activates it faster, cleaner, and more consistently. This is why some researchers call it exercise in a shot. And yes, that piss off fitness influencers. Let's talk about the benefit for Mots-c. Number one, fat loss, especially the stubborn fat. It helps your body use fat again. People tell me, I finally feel like my metabolism woke up. Number two, enhanced energy. You know that natural calm energy we all had at age 18? Mots-c brings some of that back. Number three, insulin sensitivity. It helps your body respond to carbs like it used to. Number four, better workout performance. Mots-c increases endurance in animal studies, so you stop tapping out early. Number five, anti-aging. This is the big one. Mots-c helps your cell repair stress damage like younger cell. Number six, cognitive benefit. When your mitochondria works better, your brain works better. Mood stability. It stabilizes energy systems, equals stabilize emotional systems. Number eight, recovery. Better energy production equals better repair. Here's the controversial part. If Mots-c is so good, why isn't everyone talking about it? Because you can't patent something the body naturally makes. There's no billion-dollar pharma marketing push. It's too biohacky for traditional medicine, too medical for influencers to explain. And the biggest reason? Most in the medical world simply don't know it exists. But just because they don't know doesn't mean it doesn't work. So who benefits from Mots-c? People over 35, people with stubborn belly fat, low energy, insulin resistant, perimenopause or hormone shifts, slow recovery, PCOS, metabolic issues, burnout, people who felt good but suddenly don't. This is the peptide for people who feels like their body betrayed them but want to feel at home in their body again. Some of the safety points to keep in mind when taking Mots-c. Mots-c is generally well tolerated in studies. Most common protocols are cycling the dosing, 2 to 4 weeks on, 2 weeks off. Mild fatigue in rare cases, People with cancer history or autoimmune issue should absolutely avoid this and get a medical supervision always. Important thing is always use the pharmacy grade. Never buy peptides online. If it's coming from overseas with Pokemon label, don't inject it. Let's compare Mots-c with popular weight loss medication, Ozempic or Semaglutide, the GLP medication. Semaglutide lowers appetite, whereas Mots-c improves metabolism. Semaglutide helps you eat less. Mots-c helps you burn better. They are not enemies, they are different tools. But long term, Mots-c aligns better with anti-aging and cellular health. What I love about Mots-c is that it works with the body, not against it. It doesn't hijack your hunger or speed you up. It restores your cellular communications. So many patients tells me I feel like myself again, and that's the goal. If you love science-backed, no BS breakdown of peptides, anti-aging and performance, hit follow, subscribe and share this video with someone who keeps saying, I feel tired all the time. Because Mots-c might be the thing they never knew existed, but absolutely needed.